Hey you guys, we about to go to Publix because it's Thursday. Gonna go in here and do some of these Publix Thursday deals, see what they got going on this week. If you want, you can go to your Winn-Dixie and see if anything prints out the red box, like a spin deal. I haven't been doing it because it hasn't been printing for me, and most Publixes will accept like Winn-Dixie as a competitor. But anyway, you guys, stick with me. Let's see what we get today, okay? Okay, you guys, the first deal I want to do is on minute rice, the 12 ounce one. I'm gonna get the jasmine rice. It costs $2.09. We do have a dollar digital, and it does expire I think tomorrow, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it today. Or no, I think it's Saturday actually. They usually expire Saturdays, so I'm gonna get one of the jasmine rice here for $1.09 after the digital. Okay, you guys, the next deal I want to do is on the Bush's grilling beans. They're on sale 2 for $4. I'm gonna just get one for $2, right? So it'll be $2 for one of them minus our 50-cent digital, so it will make one $1.50. I'm gonna go ahead and get the bourbon and brown sugar ones, and I did check and they are vegetarian, which is good. So anyway, that's the one I'm getting. Okay, you guys, another deal I want to show you just in case you want to do it is on the 6-pack of Bonnie Armor. It is on sale, buy one get one free this week. We do have a $2 digital, so it will be, instead of $7.89, it'll be $5.89. I thought we were gonna have Ibotta rebate as well, but the Ibotta rebate is for the 8-pack, so I was like, dang, because I would have done it. But anyway, just in case you like the Body Armor, I still think it's a good deal. Buy one get one free, $2 off digital, so $5.89 instead of $7.89 for 12 of them instead of 6, you know. Okay, you guys, if you're in need of some salad dressing or dressing period, some dip-in dressing, you know, because you could get the honey mustard right there. Their Kraft is buy one get one free this week. I didn't see any digitals or coupons, but we do have a $1.25 back on Ibotta if you want to get it. So mine costs $5.29, so it basically be like $4 or $2 each. You know, that's not that bad, but I don't need any dressing, so I'm gonna leave it here, but I still wanted to show you just in case. Okay, you guys, the next deal I want to do is on Coffee Mate Creamer. It's on sale, buy one get one free this week. Mine costs $4.88. We do have a dollar digital, so to make it $3.88, plus we have 75-cent back on Ibotta that we can do twice, so we'll get $1.50 back on Ibotta, so it makes it like what, $2.38 for two of them, which is like what, $1.15 each, something like that. That's pretty good. Okay, so what I'm gonna try is this one right here. Hold on, I'm gonna turn it around. That chocolate caramel one right there, and then I'm gonna get one of these Italian sweet creams. All right, let me know what y'all's favorite is. Okay, you guys, the next deal I'm gonna do is on Arm & Hammer. The bigger Arm & Hammer are on sale, buy one get one free this week. Now I know we have a Walgreens deal going on, you know what I mean, if your store has any more by now. But anyway, but those are the smaller ones. I think it's an okay deal still. So I'm gonna get two. I'm gonna get one of these right here, the sensitive. It's 105 load. We do have a dollar digital for that, and then I'm gonna get one of the pods because we also have a dollar digital for that. So it'll be $11.99 minus our $2. It'll basically be $10 for two of them, 5 each. It's okay. Or we have a dollar digital for this as well. We also have dollar paper coupons that came out not last week but the week before that, so if you want to get more than two, go ahead, you know. Anyway, that's the next deal. Okay, you guys, the next deal I'm going to do is on the Oscar Mayer hot dogs. They are buy one get one free. I'm going to get the beef kind. They're $7.09. We do have a dollar Ibotta rebate back that we can do twice, so it does make them $5.09, or what, like $2.50, $2.55 each. So that's my next deal. I'm going to get the long ones right there. All right. Okay, you guys, I wanted to tell you about the whole blends deal. They're buy one get one free. I'm not going to do this deal, but even if I'm not going to do it and I see it's a good deal, I'm still show you. They're buy one get one free. We do have a 75-cent back on Ibotta, so you will get like $1.50 back. Mine costs $4.89, so I would pay $4.89 and then I get $1.50 back. I'm just making it last longer so my math would hurry up in my head, but it's not. $3.39. That's how much two of them will be after Ibotta. So yeah. And I haven't seen these before. I just know they sit there in my freezer, so I'm gonna let them sit there in their freezer instead of mine. But yeah. Okay, you guys, the next deal I'm gonna do is on the El Montre. The burritos right here, they're on sale 4 for $5. Now I think they have some breakfast. It always sounds weird when I say that word. Over there as well on the other frozen aisle. But they're 4 for $5. We do have a buy 3 get 1 free digital, so instead of them being 5, they should be like $3.75 for 4 of them. I think that's okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get 4 of these right here. Okay, you guys, the next deal I'm gonna do is on the California Pizza Kitchen. They're on sale. At first I thought it was buy 1 get 1 free, but it's not. It's 2 for $12. I am gonna get 2 of them because we do have a $2 Ibotta rebate for these, and I think, you know, we don't really get a lot of rebates for these. So, and I like the barbecue chicken one, so that's the one I'm gonna get. So anyway, it'll be 12, and then we'll get $4 back, making it 8, or $4 each. That's pretty good. That's basically what that tombstone cost last week. So I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 of these right here. Okay, you guys, and you know what? I just remembered I did not take a picture of how much everything costs per 4. I've been slacking, you guys, but it is what it is, right? So anyway, I do think we did pretty good. We did better than I thought we were gonna do. Okay. Now, after, I don't know how much it was before, but after it was $37.66. But look at this. Both my Arm & Hammers came off, and I don't know what this Arm & Hammer $5 off is. I don't know what that is, you guys, but all I know is I'm going to see if the rest of my accounts have that. I'm going to stock up, because guess what? That's $7 off. So it was 12 minus 7 is 5. It makes those $2.50 each. I'm so glad I decided to take part, because at first I was like, nah, that's kind of, you know, Walgreens and all that kind of stuff. But you know what? Sometimes you just gotta take advantage. I don't know what I'm trying to make my own saying up or whatever, but anyway, I think we did pretty good, especially with that Arm & Hammer, you guys. So if you have, I'm gonna look at my other account and see if I see one that's 5 off 15, because I did not pay attention at all. It snuck in there, and that's the best time. That's the best, right? When you don't know a digital's coming off and it comes off. So it must be I think we had a spend 15 or something like that, get 5 off. I don't know. Even if that is the case, I didn't spend 15. Is it maybe something else was included? I don't know. You guys let me know. Do you know the secret to this? Or whatever. But anyway, it does look like the rest of my digitals came off. The 50 cent Coffee Mate, the burritos, the minute rice. So everything looks like it came off. Now, we paid $37. We did get back $7.50 from Ibotta. So that makes it like $30 after Ibotta. I did not upload it to Fetch. I probably should, but I didn't. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Wait, no, I'm counting the digitals. I'm sorry, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 items for $30. Makes $2 each. That's really good for that Arm & Hammer, if I'm being honest. That's Walgreens prices right there for the 4 or 5 times the size, because the Walgreens ones, it seems like they're smaller than they normally were. Anyway, let me know what you guys got. Let me know what I missed. If I missed something, you know what I'm saying, just let me know. Let us know, not just me. Stay up, stay blessed, be positive. I truly appreciate you guys watching, and have a good one, okay?